Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel is Education Times. Today I'll show you how to use canva.com. Now I'm going to my browser and write canva canva.com. I have an account, that's why it's going to show my account. Now I'm log out. If you want, log in Google, Facebook, Apple. Otherwise, you have a new, then you select sign up, and you also choose sign up Google, Facebook, and sign up email. I have an account, that's why I am going to my account. Look at this, my account is open. Now I am showing why we are use Canva. This video actually for a beginner who are a new YouTube content creator or banner creator or Facebook marketer. Then we are not a professional Adobe software. Then we are use this site from easily create a template, banner, flyer, etc. Then you show that home page, templates, features, learn, pricing. Today I will show you how to free use Canva. Now I am create a Facebook post. Then I am select Facebook post. If you any types of option, then you write now, such as YouTube thumbnail, YouTube flyer. But I am showing how to create Facebook post. Select a lot of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, lot of types of posts. When you select a post, then it's this page already designed measurement. If you have a new blank page, then click or lot of templates in here. Choose your topics and select your choosable templates. Then select here, click blank page. When you select this, now I am showing to this bar. It's a template bar. It's provide a lot of templates. You can choose easily, then click and it's open there. Click open there. Then next type, updates. When you create a template, then you need a lot of photo, a lot of images, a lot of PNG file. Then you click upload and upload media. Select device and choose your photo and select photo. Then you select automatically use a photo, a lot of photo. Elements, you select a lot of elements, you can paste and show, then show that you use it. And text, you need a lot of text in your photos, then you need text button. A lot of text item is available here. Otherwise you modified a text, then you click and drag, then you use it. Now I am going to templates and choose a template. Simply I am open this template and I am write down in here and select this. I'm create a post for CPM marketing. That's why I am offer promote. That's why I am write a choosy word. And select another types of text, then drag and drop and write here. And select and scroll it and easily move anywhere. Then write and write here a short note. Now I am using a photo, then go to upload or photo, select this photo and drag and drop. And zoom in, and this photo is slow. Then you write a lot of some things and move this text inside. Select this text and resize. Also select this text and resize, change colors, then select a lot of colors. This post downloaded. It's education purpose, that's why I am create a shortly. Then I am download, then click here